Good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? We are now streamed live on YouTube. Expecting you must have grabbed your snacks along with you for tonight's event. My name is Jemeline, and I will be the MC for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, I heartily welcome you all to the first ever Summer Fiesta, Hope on the Rise. Hope that in the midst of the uncertainty and obstacles, we can still strive and prevail together with full faith and confidence. We may be going through a new and a difficult phase for a couple of months now, being confined in our own houses, with plans being cancelled, and with this, quite a challenging transition from living our normal lives, from our usual get together weekends to this new trend of social distancing. And so, with the canceled flights mentioned all over the news, and due to safety reasons, most of us will be staying in Doha this summer vacation. So, to make our summer this year still a memorable one, we, the Student Council, with the support of the school management team, have decided and planned to host this event in which the students of SIS are given a wonderful opportunity to be creative and to show to the world their talents and giftings, thereby turning our challenges into an opportunity. This event will be held this month in a series that includes the quiz competition being held today, the discussion forum, singing dance, art and craft, and various cooking shows. All of these events are conceived, planned, and executed by the Student Council members. Almost 1,000 students have keenly registered to their choice of event, which is being posted in the Google Classroom, and their respective student council in charges have diligently undergone the selection procedure that involves conducting different rounds leading to a group of individuals who are qualified for the final round. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I once again heartily welcome each one of you to the Summer Fiesta 2020 quiz competition. Here is Ria J. Prakash, the school's head girl, to welcome you all.
Do not allow circumstances to frighten you. Do not allow situations to torture you. Look beyond the appearances. Yours will be the unmistakable happiness. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I take great pleasure to extend a gracious and an inclusive welcome to all of you on this much awaited and wonderful occasion of SIS Summer Fiesta Quiz 2020. This event was entirely planned, organized, and executed by our very own Student Council members of SIS. First and foremost, I welcome the finalists of today's event, the event organizer, the CCA coordinators, and all the quiz masters to this wonderful occasion. Welcome all. Dear finalists, wishing you all have a very good luck and may the best win. It is my pleasure to welcome all the parents and the audience who are witnessing us with great zeal and anticipation. This event is incomplete without your support and cooperation. Work hard in silence. Let the success be your noise. Today, amongst us, we have the icons of integrity, hard work, and dedication. I welcome the management committee of SIS, led by a man of distinct vision, Mr. Casey Abdul Latif, our beloved principal, vice principals, administrator, head teachers, academic mentor, and all my dearest teachers. If you cannot do great things, then do small things in a great way. Wishing you all to have a great time with us, I take leave of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ria. And now, introducing our quiz masters for today. Welcoming the Assistant Literary Secretary, Janvi Murugan, the quizmaster for the first round of this competition, the pre-junior category. Janvi Murugan was a part of the Toastmaster Club 2018 and was selected for the final round in SIFQ and represented SIS in many inter-school competitions. She is a very hardworking, dedicated, and a talented person. Next up is the literary secretary, Kevin Sajeev, the quizmaster for the second round, the junior category. Kevin Sajeev is a junior Toastmaster. He has a persistent mindset, he is hardworking, and has a talent for rational thinking. He is diligent and loyal towards fulfilling his duties and responsibilities as the literary secretary. Next, we have the assistant head boy, Mr. Shaurya Pratap Bish, the quizmaster for the third round, the intermediate category. Shaurya was awarded the Trackest Rolling Trophy at the 10th Interschool Quiz Competition 2019, has won Shastra Pratibha twice, has contributed to the SIS Talents on YouTube, and is very versatile, dedicated, and definitely multi-talented. But last but definitely not the least, we have the school's head boy, Bharat Prabhu, who will be the quiz master for the fourth and final round, the senior category. Bharat was a school topper in 10 board exam. He reached the final round of Shastra Pratibha twice, as well as the final round of science exhibition by SIFQ. He is also an active and passionate sportsman, having secured positions in the Qatar clusters, qualifying him for the national competition. A very dedicated and creative person. And now, without further ado, let us begin this quiz competition up with the first round, pre-junior category. Over to you, Quizmaster John B. Morgan.
So as you guys have heard, I am Janvi and I'll be the quizmaster for the final round for the pre-juniors. So the participants selected are Arman Manzeer for Team A, Akhil Anwar for Team B, Zia Afrin for Team A, Haya Abdullah for Team B. So they are categorized as Team A and Team B. Now without further ado, we are going to start with Arman Manzeeri for Team A. Arman Manzeeri, are you ready?
Ma'am, I am ready.
Very good. So we're going to start with your first question. Identify this flag.
It is,
Come on, you can do it. Oops, we ran out of time. The correct answer is UK. So no problem, we have few more questions left. The next question is, name the first Indian woman to get silver in Olympics. The answer is PV Sindhu. Identify the architecture given below.
Red Fort. Red
Yes,
Fort.
exactly, that's the right answer. The answer is Red Fort. So your next question is, say the time given in the clock.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
That's exactly the right answer. So out of 4, you have given 2 answers right. Very well done. So the next participant is Akhil Anwar for Team B. Akhil Anwar, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll be starting with your first question. Your first question is, identify this flag.
America's flag.
That's the correct answer. It is the flag of America, also known as USA. So your next question is, how many days do we have in a year?
Three 365.
That's exactly the right answer. The answer is 365, whereas a leap year also has 366 days. So your next question is, who was the first Indian woman to win a medal in badminton at the Olympics?
Sorry, I passed this question.
Okay, fine. The answer is Sania Nehwal. Your next question is, say the time given in the clock.
Three o'clock.
That's exactly the right answer. The answer is 3 o'clock. So you have given out of 4, 3 right. So we'll move on to the next participant. For Team A, it is Zia Afrin. Can we start Zia Afrin?
Yes.
Very good. So your first question is, who is the President of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
Very well, great job. That's the right answer, Ramnath Kovind. Your next question is, name the satellite launched by India to Mars. Come on, you can do it. No problem, it's okay. The answer is Mangalyaan. So the next question is, name the author of this book. The Jungle Book. Author of Jungle Book.
Rudyard Kipling.
Very well done. That's a correct answer. It's Rudyard Kipling. Next question. What do you call a scientist that studies life?
Biologist.
Very good. That's absolutely the right answer. It's biologist. So out of 4, you have got 3 correct. Very well done. Now the next person is Haya Abdullah for Team B. Are you ready, Haya Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So your first question is, who is the president of USA?
Donald Trump.
Great job, that's a correct answer. It's the Donald Trump. The next question is, name the satellite launched by India to the moon.
Mongolia.
That's a good try, but the answer is Chandrayaan 2. So your next question is, name the author of this book, The Harry Potter.
Rowling. J.K. Rowling.
Absolutely right. The answer is J.K. Rowling. So your next question is, what is the scientist who studies about space called?
Astronomer.
Can you repeat, please?
An astronomer.
That's great job. That's the correct answer. It's astronomer. So out of 4, you have given 4 right, 3 right. Very well done. So thank you so much for participating, and we'll move on to the results. Can Vishnu please share the screen for the results? So here are the results. From Team A, Arman Manziri got 20 out of 40, and Zia Afrin has got 30 out of 40, and the total score is 50. For Team B, Akil Anwar has got 30, Haya Abdullah has got 30, so the total score is 60. So as you can see, just by 10 marks, there's a difference, and the winner for this quiz for pre-junior is Team B, Akil Anwar and Haya Abdullah. Very well done, Akil Anwar and Haya Abdullah. Even Arman Manziri and Zia Afrin have also given a very good competition. Thank you so much for participating. It was also a really great honor to be the quiz master for your guys. Thank you so much. Winner is Team B.
Wow, that's amazing. Good job, you all. Hinge Quiz Master John V. That was indeed such a fun round. Now, moving forward to the next round, we have the junior category. Are you ready? Hope you're ready. Over to you, Quiz Master Kevin Sajiv.
So, thank you, Jamaline. So, good evening, one and all. Today, I, Kevin Siji, will be your quizmaster for the junior category of the quiz final round. So, today here with us, there are 2 teams. Team number 1 consists of Niranjan VP from 3rd grade, Ilhan Khadija from 4th grade, and Mohsin Mustafa from 5th grade. Team B consists of Mohammad Danish from 3rd grade, Varun from 4th grade, and Maheshwari from 5th grade. So, before we get started, I have some general instructions for the participants as well as the audience to just know about it. Number 1, there are 2 teams, Team A and B. Each consists of 3 members, each from grade 3, 4, and 5. Each member of the team will be asked 4 questions. Every correct answer will give him or her 10 points. The maximum he or she can score will be 40 points only. You will get a maximum of 30 seconds to answer each question. The timer will start after the quizmaster reads the question. The total points scored by each member of the team will be added to the team score. The team with the highest score will be the category winner. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first player from Team A, Niranjan VP. Niranjan, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. Niranjan, your first question. In which sport is the term corner kick used?
Football.
Excellent, Niranjan. That was an instant answer. Very good. Number 2. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Take a guess.
Abdul Kar.
I'm afraid that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Number 3. Can you identify this monument?
The Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Wow, that was another instant answer. Excellent. Number 4. What do we call the energy that is captured from the sunlight?
Solar energy.
Wow, very good. That's the correct answer. So, Niranjan, you answered 3 out of 4 questions, and you got 30 points. Well done. Next player from Team B, Mohammed Danish. Danish, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So, let's start.
Yes.
Good. Danish, your first question. How many players are there in a hockey team? Come on.
23.
Can you come again?
23.
Oh, I'm afraid that's a wrong answer, but you gave a good guess. The correct answer is 11. Number 2, who is known as the Missile Man of India?
AP Abdul Kalam.
Very well. That's the correct answer. It's Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 3, identify the monument.
Statue of Liberty.
Wow, very good. It's correct answer. Number 4, name the process of killing disease-producing microorganism in food items by mildly heating it.
Boiling.
Oh, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is pasteurization. So, okay, you answered 2 out of 4 questions, so you got 20 points. Next player from Team A again, Ihan Khadija. Ihan, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So your first question, when is National Integration Day celebrated in India? Can you take a guess?
January 25th.
Oh, that's the wrong answer, but good thing you guessed at least something. So the correct answer is 31st of October. Question number 2. Which scientist proposed the 3 laws of motion? You must have learned in science. So try to recall it. Sorry, you ran out of time. So the correct answer is Sir Isaac Newton. Number 3. Which country won the World Football World Cup in the year 2006?
Germany.
It's a good guess, but the correct answer is Italy. It's okay. Number 4. Which is the second tallest mountain in the world? Number 1 is Mount Everest. So what will be number 2? So the correct answer is K2. It's also a mountain in the Himalayas itself. So Ihan, you gave your best, but you couldn't answer any questions. It's okay. Next player, Varun from Team B. Varun,
Yes, sir.
so let's start.
Yes.
Okay. Your first question. When is International Peace Day celebrated? You must have learned in social science. So try to recall this answer. The correct answer is September 21st. Number 2. Clusters of eggs laid by frogs are known as what? Well, Varun, you don't have time. The correct answer is embryos. Number 3. Tennis player Rafael Nadal belongs to which country? Rafael Nadal is a tennis legend. So in PE classes and everything, sir must have shared with you.
Spain.
Excellent. That's the correct answer. Well done, Varun. Number 3. Mount Matterhorn is located in which country? Mount Matterhorn is one of the most famous mountains in the world.
Europe.
Europe isn't a country, Varun. It's okay. You tried your best. It's in Switzerland. So, Varun, out of 4 questions, you answered 1. So you got 10 points. Well done. Next player from Team A, Mohsin. Mohsin, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Your first question. The liquid which comes out of a volcano is known as?
Lava.
Well done. It's the correct answer. Number 2. What is the name of Simba's evil uncle from the movie Lion King?
Scar.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Number 3. Which gas is known as laughing gas?
Nitrous oxide.
Excellent. That's the correct answer. Number 4. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Who said these historic words? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. It's okay, Mohsen. You answered 3 out of 4 questions. Well done. You got 30 points. Next player, Maheshwari from Team B. Maheshwari? Maheshwari, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Your first question. What is the name of the galaxy in which we live?
The Milky Way galaxy.
Okay, that's the correct answer. Well done. Number 2. Which Disney film does the song Under the Sea come from?
The Little Mermaid.
Well done. It's the correct answer. Number 3. Air pressure is measured with an instrument, which is known as. Maheshwari, please keep your eyes on the screen, okay? And parents, please don't help your children. It's okay, Maheshwari. The correct answer is barometer. Number 4. Where there is love, there is life. Who quoted these words?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Well done. That's correct answer. So Maheshwari, you answered 3 out of 4 questions. That means you got 30 points. So now it's result time. In just a second, the results will be shared. Wow. So from Niranjan got 30 points in total from team A. Ihan unfortunately got only 0 points. Mohsen from team A got 30 points as well. From team B, Mohammed Danish got 20 points. Varun got 10 points and Maheshwari got 30 points again. And surprise, surprise, it's a tie. Which means we had to go on to the tiebreaker round. So just a second. We'll have a tiebreaker round. Just a minute. Welcome back, everyone. So we have a tie. So we are going to conduct our tiebreaker round. So tiebreaker. So round 1 for a player from team A, Niranjan. Niranjan, are you there?
Yes.
Good. Please turn on your camera. Okay. So your first question. What do we call animals which live in or on trees? Arboreal animals. Sorry about that. Number 2 from team B, Mohammed Danish.
Yes, sir.
So the question's for you. Can you turn your camera on?
Yes.
And Niranjan, you can turn your camera off. Danish, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your question is, animals that have more than one stomach for digestion and are cud chewing are known as what?
Ruminants.
Well done. That's the correct answer. So next player, Ihan Khadija from team A. Ihan?
Yes.
So the questions for you. First question, the question is, what did Benjamin Franklin invent? When you're muted, please unmute. So okay, the correct answer is electricity. Next player from Team B, Varun. Varun?
Sir.
Okay. So your question is, the asteroid belt is present between which two planets?
Between Mars and Jupiter.
That's the correct answer. Well done. Next player, Mohsin.
Yes.
So the question for you is, name the author whose first story for children was The Gremlins.
Roll the.
Well done, that's the correct answer. Next player from Team B again, Maheshwari.
Yes, sir.
Maheshwari, can you turn your camera on?
Yes.
Okay. The question is, name the author of the book, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz.
L. Franklin Baum.
Okay, Maheshwari, that's the correct answer. Okay, that's it for round two. I mean round one, sorry. Next is round two. Again, Team A, Naranjan.
Yes.
Naranjan, your question is, who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Wala Bahar.
I couldn't understand what you said, please.
Wala
Naranjan, please.
Bahar.
I'm afraid that's the wrong answer. Sorry. The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next player, Mohammad Danish.
Yes, sir.
Your question is, who was the first president of India? Danish, please focus on the screen, okay?
Rajendra Prasad.
That is the correct answer. Next player, Ihan Khadija. Ihan. So this is your question. What do we call energy created from fast moving water?
Hydraulic.
I'm afraid that's the wrong answer. Known as hydroelectric power or hydroelectric energy. Next player, Varun.
Sir.
Oh, I'm sorry, just a minute. Okay, I'm so sorry for the technical difficulty. Varun,
Sir.
your question is, how many bones are there in a newborn baby?
300.
Well, that's a correct answer. And Team A played 3, Mohsin Mustafa.
Yes.
Your question is, the national tree of India is?
Banyan.
That's a correct answer. Next player, Maheshwari.
Yes.
Your question is, in which layer of the atmosphere most of the ozone is present, which protects us from the harmful UV radiations of the sun? You're out of time, so the correct answer is the stratosphere. So that's it for the tiebreaker round. The results will be shared shortly. So the results for the tiebreaker round are in. So for Team A, Niranjan VP unfortunately scored 0 point, and so did Ihan. Next player, Mohsin Mustafa, got 20 points. I'm afraid that's a slight mistake has been there. It's only 10 points. I'm okay. 2 rounds are there. I'm very sorry. So 20 points. Team B, Mohammed Danish scored 20 points. Varun scored 20 points, and Maheshwari scored 10 points. So in total, Team A got 20 points, and Team B got 50 points. So from the results of the tiebreaker, we have a clear winner. It's Team B. Congrats to Team B, and also congrats to all the other participants. Thank you for participating, and it has been a great pleasure interacting with you. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Quizmaster Kevin. That was slightly a tough round, yet quite informative. It really did make me actually think about these questions. So I hope you all are enjoying the round so far. Shout out to the ones who joined us live on YouTube. We can see you. Wow. Let's continue to support these kids. All right. Okay. Next, let's move on to the next round. We have the intermediate category. Quizmaster Sharia Pratapbish, take it over, please.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final round for the intermediate section. So without further ado, let's start. In Team A, we have Shama Fatima from 6th A, M. Sivaganesh from 7G, Nandana NR from 8th B, and in Team B, we have Muhammad Odam M from 6B, Nabira Ehtisham Zara from 7A, and Faiz Abdul Khalil Kibran from 8th E. So here's some ground rules, some general instructions. Let's go. There are 2 teams, Team A and Team B. Each consists of 3 members, 1 each from grade 6th, 7th, and 8th. Each member of the team will be asked 4 questions. Every correct answer will give him or her 10 points. The maximum he or she can score will be 40 points. You will get a maximum of 30 seconds to answer each question. The timer will start after the question is read by the quiz master, that is me. The total points scored by each member of the team will be added to the team score. The team with the highest score will be the category winner. So let's start. On the hot seat, we have Shaima Fatima. Are you ready, Shaima?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I like to hear. Let's go. So your first question is, which is the only flying mammal?
Bats.
Absolutely correct. It is the bat. The bat is the only flying mammal discovered till now. Now, your second question is, what were the old kings of Egypt called? Your time begins.
Romans.
No, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, good guess, but they were the pharaohs. The old pharaohs, the ancient kings, were the rulers of Egypt in the olden eras. Now, your third question. What nut is in the middle of a Ferrero Rocher? Your time starts now.
Hazelnut.
Absolutely right. It is the hazelnut. The hazelnut is the nut found in the middle of the Ferrero Rocher, a beautiful candy, which is one of my favorites, actually. Now, identify this creature. Your time starts now.
Duck.
No, that's a good guess, but it is not the duck. It is actually the hornbill, an elusive bird found in the higher regions, in the mountainous regions of most countries, especially India. Very famous, celebrated. Thank you, Shama. You've scored 2 out of 4. Now on the hot seat, we have Muhammad Odam M. Are you ready, Muhammad?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Your first question is, what is the official residence of the Queen of Great Britain called? Your time begins now.
Pass.
Okay, actually, it is called the Buckingham Palace, also called the Buck House because of its old visitor, Mr. Buck, who was the King of England, Henry VII, he was as well called. Okay, now your second question. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Your time begins now.
Wireless.
Yeah, I'll be accepting answers right now.
Wireless fidelity.
Absolutely right. It is the wireless fidelity. Good job there. Just on the nick of the hour. Now, your third question. The El Clasico is played between which two Spanish football clubs?
Real Madrid and Barcelona.
Absolutely right. Again, you're on a roll. It's Real Madrid and Barcelona. As of now, FC Barcelona have won 115 matches compared to Real Madrid's 100. So we can say FC Barcelona are the champions of the El Clasico as of now. Now your fourth question. Identify this creature.
Rhino.
Is your
Rhino.
what? No, that is not the rhino. Good guess, but it is the Nilgai, found in the higher states of India, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, everywhere, quite common there. So thank you, Mohammed. You've scored 2 out of 4 as well. Good job. Okay, now on the hot seat, we have M. Sivaganesh. Are you ready, Sivaganesh?
Yes.
That's what I like to hear. Let's go. Where was the ICC Cricket World Cup held in 2019?
Australia?
Unfortunately, good guess, but that's the wrong answer. It was England, with England winning the World Cup in the end. As I said, it came home. Your second question. What planet is called the sister planet of Earth? Your time begins now.
Venus.
That's a problem. That's a problem. That's a problem for the other team because that is absolutely right. It is Venus, also called the sister planet, the twin planet of Earth, because they have similar size and proportion. Now, your third question. What is Queen Elizabeth II's surname? Your time begins now.
Alexandria Mary.
You are
Elizabeth.
halfway. You're halfway there.
Elizabeth Alexandria Windsor.
Windsor, absolutely correct. She is Windsor. She is Windsor. Her surname, her full name, like you said, is Elizabeth Alexandria Mary Windsor. The surname. She even has a castle built upon her family name. So now, you've gotten 2 out of right till now. Who identify this person? Your time begins now.
Pass.
All right. So he is Dr. Homi J. Bhabha, the atomic man of India, helped build our first nuclear weapon, even has an institute named after him, the Bhabha Institute. Great scientist, really. So thank you, Sivaganesh. You've gotten 2 out of 4 right, 20 points to you. Now let's go to the next contestant, shall we? Nabira Ehsan Zara, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Your first question. What is the capital of Belgium?
Brussels.
Absolutely correct. So quick. It is Brussels, the capital of Belgium, also is the head of the European Union right now. Question 2 for you. Which is the club with the most Ballon d'Ors?
AC Milan.
Good guess, good guess. They're quite high up, 7 actually, but the answer is Barcelona with 12. So let's go to the next question. Which is the most poisonous frog in the world? Your time begins now.
Poison dart.
Poison dart, yes, but what species? I'm just looking for a color. Do you have the color?
Golden.
Absolutely correct. It is the golden poison frog, the golden dart frog. With the venom toxic enough, it's used in arrow tips by the tribal areas of Brazil. A quick killer it is. Now, your final question. Identify this person. Your time begins now.
C.V. Raman.
Absolutely correct. It is C.V. Raman. Got the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work in optics. C.V. Raman, our scientist. So you've gotten 3 out of 4, 30 points for you. Good job, great quizzing. Thank you. Now on the hot seat, we have Nandana NR. Are you ready, Nandana?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So your first question, where is the proton located in an atom? Your time starts now.
Yes.
Absolutely correct. It is the nucleus. The nucleus is where the proton and the neutrons reside. The proton containing the positive charge, neutron, a neutral charge, and the electrons a negative charge orbit around the nucleus. They do. Now, your second question. Who was presented the golden ball in the FIFA World Cup 2018? Your time starts now. Are you sure? Because I'm sure you're sure, because the answer is Luka Modric. Luka Modric was the player who got the golden ball. The best playmaker is awarded the golden ball in a FIFA World Cup. He indeed was the best playmaker. 2018 was his year. He even got the Ballon d'Or that day. Okay, so now your third question. Which is the most venomous octopus in the world? Your time starts now.
Blue ring octopus.
Absolutely correct. It is the blue-ringed octopus with venom sufficient to kill 26 adult humans. Now that's a lot. Australia, be careful. Now your fourth question is identify this person. Your time starts now.
I would pass.
All right. He is Vikram Sarabhai, a pioneer in the astronomical region, built many institutes, philanthropist, great man. Thank you, Nandana. You've gotten 3 out of 4 as well. Great quizzing, 30 points for you. Okay, now we have on the hot seat Faiz Abdul Khalil Kibran. Are you ready, Faiz?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. Your first question. Alfonso, Langra, Chaucer, etc. are the types of which fruit? Time begins.
Mango.
Absolutely correct. Lightning quick as well, mango. Like the Alfonso myself. What about you?
Yes.
Okay, next question then. What is the fear of heights called? Time starts now.
Lentophobia.
Excuse me, can you repeat it once?
Lentophobia.
Good guess, good guess. Very creative, but it is actually acrophobia. Third most common phobia in the world, acrophobia, fear of heights. Many people possess it. So now your third question. What is the colloquial name of the Naja? Naja. Time starts now.
I would like to pass.
All right, all right. It is actually the Indian cobra, Naja Naja. Okay, so for your fourth and final question, identify this person. Time starts now.
Jackie Chan.
Good guess, but it is not Jackie Chan. It is actually Bruce Lee. So you've scored 1 out of 4, 10 points for you. Great quizzing. Thank you, Faiz. Now, wait for a few seconds. We'll be showing you the result shortly. Thank you. Oh, it's a close one. All right, what do we have here? Shama Fatima with 20 points from 6th standard, Team A. M. Sivaganesh with 20 points as well from grade 7. And Nandana NR with 30 points, grade A. Now we go to Team B. Muhammad Odam M with 20 points. Nabira E. Zara with 30 points. Faiz Abdul Kibran with 10 points. Oh, we have the winner is Team A with 70 points. Good job by absolutely everyone. It was great spending time with you. The people who won, well and good. But the people who didn't, don't lose hope. There is always a next time, and what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and you've learned a lot more than anyone else has. So Team A, congratulations. Team B, don't lose hope. Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. That was a very interesting round. Good job to the participants and the winners, of course. Again, almost a tie. Can you believe it? So thank you so much, Quizmaster Sharia. Actually, same here, Sharia. Ferrero, Rocher, my favorite too. All right. So I feel like the ones joining us live should also be asked some questions, don't you think? Audience? Audience, are you ready? Here are 2 questions from you. For you, okay? Let us see who will answer it first. Audience? Audience, are you ready? All right, the first question is, only two countries in the world have a flag that is square shaped. I repeat, square shaped. One is the Vatican City, but what is the other? All right, I got some answers here. Siddharth, he, I believe, answered the first. It's actually Switzerland. Great job, great job. Okay, here's the next question. All right, are you ready? Hopefully, you'll know this. This is quite a simple one. The first ever solo player to become Fortnite World Champion is Booga. Booga. Familiar? All right. So, in which year was a popular video game Fortnite first released? All right, YouTube audience. Whoa, I can see already the answer being mentioned. Yes, it's actually 2017. Wow, all of you are so quick. Wow, very quick. All right, all right, all right. I hope so. You guys are still active because we have the final round here. All right, all right. So, for the final round, senior category, I call upon our quiz master, Bharat Prabhu. All right.
Good evening, everyone, and now let us head into final round for seniors. Firstly, we have two teams, Team A and Team B. Team A has Unique Bandari from 9B, Akil Ahmed from 10E, and Hima KP from 11D. Team B has Mohammad Sabih from 9D, Rohan Rajesh from 10C, and Halim Ahmed from 11A. So, the general instructions are each participant will be asked 4 questions and each questions carry 10 marks. There is no passing and you have 30 seconds time limit for answering your questions. Now on the hot seat, we have Unique Bandari from 9B Team A. Please unmute and unhide your camera.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Your first question is, name the country which is famous for tacos and also has the coastlines along both Pacific and Atlantic Ocean.
Mexico.
Yes, that's the right answer. Wonderful. The correct answer is Mexico. You get 10 points. Muscle fatigue occurs due to the presence of
Lactic acid.
Yes, that's the right answer. Wonderful. It is lactic acid. It is because of lack of oxygen, and when oxygen is again present, it will break down into carbon dioxide. Now, your next question is, which mountain range is divided into the Sambar Sirohi and the Sambar K3 range?
Sorry, I pass.
That's okay. You have one more question remaining. The answer is Aravali. Your fourth question is, proceeding from the staircase, the numbers form a logical sequence. What number belongs to the top step?
Mm, 168 into 165. 63.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. Actually, there's a sequence. You have to multiply 2 in each staircase. 7 into 2, 14. Then into 3, it is 42. Like that it goes. And the correct answer is 840. So that's it for you. That was a good round. You got 2 questions correct. Now, can we have the next contestant on the hot seat? Mohammed Zabi from Team B, Grade 9D. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your first question is, which country's highest peak is Mount Ararat?
Turkey.
Yes, that's the right answer. It is Turkey. Your second question is, name the largest organ of the human body. Please look at the screen.
Skin. Skin.
Parents, please avoid prompting. It is audible over here. So this is disqualified. The answer is skin. Your third question is, which country is known as the land of 13 months of sunshine?
Ethiopia.
Please unmute. Can you repeat?
Ethiopia.
Yes, that's a correct answer. The answer is Ethiopia. Your fourth question is, which tank will fill first? Please unmute and keep.
3.
Yes, that is the right answer. The third one. Thank you. Now, can we have our next contestant, Akil Ahmed from Team A, Grade 10E on the hot seat? Please unmute and unhide your camera.
Yes.
Okay. So your first question is, how many times does the digit 5 occur in the numbers from 1 to 10?
Twenty times.
Yes, that's the right answer. It is 20 times. Now your second question is, which team did Michael Jordan spend the majority of his basketball career with? Please unmute and keep yourself.
Okay. Charlotte Bobcats.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. The answer is Chicago Bulls. The official symbol of the World Wide Fund (WWF) for nature is. Please keep yourself unmuted. Other candidates, can you please switch off your video?
Giant panda.
Okay, that's the right answer. It is giant panda. Now, your fourth question is, I belong to group 14. I am present in fossil fuels and I have the highest self-linking ability. Who am I? Please keep yourself unmuted.
Pass. I don't know the answer.
The correct answer is carbon. The self-linking ability is called catenation and carbon has the highest catenation ability. Thank you. Now we have the next contestant on the hot seat, Rohan Rajesh from Team B, Grade 10C. Please unmute and unhide your camera.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on to the first question. How many numbers in 1 to 100 have at least one of its digit as 1?
20.
Yes, that's the right answer. Very good. It is 20. And that was a very quick answer. Good job. Now your second question is, what is Floyd Mayweather's career record in boxing?
Mm, 999 million.
That's a wrong answer, and please avoid searching in the web. The answer is 50 wins, 0 losses in 50 fights. Question 3. Name the animal which is brown in summer and white in winter.
Bear.
No, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is Arctic hare. Your fourth question is, I belong to halogen family. I also belong to group 17. You can also find me in CFC, and I am the smallest halogen. Who am I?
Pass.
Okay. The correct answer is. The correct answer. You said pass first. The correct answer is chlorine. Okay, thank you. Now that's it. Now we can go to our next contestant on the hot seat. We have Hima KP from Team A, grade 11D. Unmute and unhide your camera, please. Hima KP, are you ready? You're not audible. Sorry, you're not audible.
Hima, you speak loud.
Sorry, you're not audible yet.
You might try to select the right microphone from the settings. So your mic is not working. Okay. You're trying to speak, but it's not audible.
Okay. Can you get a paper and write down your answer and quickly show to the camera when the question is asked? Okay, you can use the chat box then, but others, please do not prompt the answers in the chat box. Okay. We can go into the first question. Your first question is, which sea has often been called the incubator of Western civilization? Sorry, Arabian Sea is not the right answer. The right answer is Mediterranean Sea. Your next question is, which number is on the opposite face of 5? And others, please do not comment anything. Sorry, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is number 2. Okay, your next question is, who is known as the father of modern medicine? Time's up, no problem. The answer is Louis Pasteur. Now you have one last question left. The last question is, name the animal that never drinks water. Sorry, time's up. But no problem. I understand the difficulty of typing the chat. And anyways, you tried your best despite these technical difficulties. So the answer was kangaroo rat. Thank you. And can we have our next contestant on the hot seat? Halim Ahmed from Team B, grade 11A.
Good evening.
Good evening. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm
Good. Now, question 1. Which country is also known as the land of the rising sun?
Japan.
Wow, that's the right answer. It is Japan. Now, your second question is, how many small cubes are needed to fill the big cube?
I passed that.
Okay, the correct answer is 15. Your next question is, calculus was independently invented by both Gottfried Leibniz and
Isaac Newton.
oh, that's the right answer. It is Isaac Newton. And the controversy still goes on between who is the real father of calculus. The fourth question is, what is the name of the Indian fish which can climb trees?
I don't know. I passed that.
No problem. So the correct answer is Anabas. So this was the final question of this round. Thank you everyone, and now it is result time. Please hold on a second. The results will be shared now. Wow, this was close. Only 20 points difference. So from Team A, Unique has scored 20 points, answered 2 questions correctly. From grade 10 in Team A, Akil Ahmed has scored 20 points and again answered 2 questions correctly. Hima was not able to answer any question, but yeah, there was technical difficulties. Team B, grade 9, Mohammad Zabi has scored 30 points. Wow, 3 questions right. And Rohan Rajesh scored 10 points, 1 question right. And Halim Ahmed from grade 11 has scored 20 points, 2 questions right. So Team A total is 40 and Team B total is 60. So the winner is Team B with 20 extra points than Team A. Congratulations, Team B. Good work, keep it up. And Team A, no, don't worry, you have another other opportunities waiting for you in the future. Thank you.
Wow, congratulations to all the winners. You all, even all of you, all the participants, you all did quite an amazing job. Thank you to all the quiz masters of the event. This was indeed such a wonderful session and very educational. And so our next event will actually be the discussion forum, and this will be scheduled the coming Thursday, July 16th, 2020 at 5 p.m. And for those who are interested to participate, the registrations are open until July 11th, Saturday. So stay tuned with that. Now, concluding today's event, we have the assistant head girl, Ms. Lamia Ibrahim, with a note of appreciation.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight would be incomplete without the appreciation of the masterminds behind the event. And so, on behalf of the Student Council, I am here to do just that. Praising God Almighty for making all this a grand success. Recording our greatest note of appreciation to the Honorable President of SIS, Mr. Casey Abdul Latif, and the entirety of the school management for making tonight possible. Thank you so very much. We always say, and will keep doing so, express our gratitude to our beloved principal, senior vice principal, academic mentor, head teachers, and our dearest teachers for paving our paths and making us what we are today. Participants, thank you for your cooperation, and winners, congratulations once again. Special thanks to the Quizmasters and CCA coordinators for their wonderful work. Kudos to the Student Council for all of it. My friends, this was a mission success. Thank you to parents, guests, and everybody that joined us on the Zoom platform and YouTube live stream. Hope you enjoyed your time with us. May the Lord be with you, and good night.
Thank you, Ms. Lamia. One more announcement about the cookery show, which will be going on throughout this series of events. And the registration is still open, but ends on July 11th. July 11th. Here is the classroom code for SIS students. You can still register. All right? Thank you all for being with us live on Zoom as well as on YouTube. Stay tuned, stay connected, and of course, stay safe. Have a wonderful and blessed